Hello everyone. So here's how you are going to close your Wix website. Okay, so this is basically deleting your website. Okay, so go to your website editor, for example. So this is the website that you are going to delete. So just go to site, okay, and then you can see from the bottom move site to trash. So just click it, okay, just wait it to respond. Okay, and it was moved to trash. Okay, so here's your dashboard again. So you can confirm if you have you can confirm if you truly moved your website to trash by clicking this one, move to trash. Okay, so it may take some time, and there you go. Okay, so it means that your website has been brought to the trash. Okay, so you can click on this button to see the websites that you have been or you deleted. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and hit subscribe. Okay, thank you very much.